Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most exciting machines in the motocross world, the 2026 Yamaha YZ250. Known for its agility, power, and race-ready performance, the YZ250 has long been a favorite among motocross enthusiasts and off-road riders alike. The 2026 model builds on this legacy with refined features and cutting-edge updates. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ250 is more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 arrives with a sharper, more aggressive design that highlights its race-ready nature. The bodywork has been streamlined for better aerodynamics, while new graphics and color schemes give it a bold, modern look. Lightweight plastics and updated ergonomics make it easier to maneuver, ensuring riders can tackle jumps and tight corners with confidence. The redesigned seat and handlebars enhance comfort and control, making every ride feel precise and connected. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the YZ250 features a high-performance 249cc, two-stroke engine that delivers explosive power and smooth throttle response. Yamaha has updated the power valve system and improved exhaust tuning for better acceleration and mid-range punch. The suspension has been reworked with KYB forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, providing superior handling on rough tracks. Lightweight construction and optimized chassis geometry enhance agility and control, making the 2026 YZ250 a true competitor on any terrain. Safety and technology. While motocross bikes focus heavily on performance, Yamaha has added subtle updates to improve rider confidence. The 2026 YZ250 features enhanced braking, performance with lightweight disc brakes, and refined control. Ergonomic adjustments and improved grip materials help riders maintain stability during aggressive maneuvers. Yamaha's design also ensures easy maintenance and reliability, so riders can spend more time on the track and less time in the garage. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 continues to set the standard in the motocross segment with its powerful engine, agile handling, and race-focused updates. Whether you're a competitive racer or an off-road enthusiast, this YZ250 delivers an exhilarating ride that's ready for any track or trail. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that matter most.